Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 396 is a good revving engine, so you'd want to run a steel crank so it would live at the RPM you'd have to run it to make HP. And probably a roller cam, as flat tappet cams in big blocks have a nasty habit of going away relatively easily. 30 June 2005.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The average power numbers from 4,000 to 6,250 revolutions per minute, where it carried over 400 pound-feet of torque, were 438 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. While power peaked at a high 6,400 revolutions per minute, low-end torque was still plenty respectable, with the motor peaking 483 pound-feet at 4,700 revolutions per minute. 1 February 2001.
Take our lead.
The cranks have the same stroke 3.76. The 396 crank is lighter, having 3/4 wide third counterweight. The 427 cranks look identical except the third counterweight is 7/8 thick, heavier crank due to heavier pistons for the larger bore. 30 November 2007.
Take our lead.
The blocks are the same with the exception of the bore of the cylinder when the cast was made. The walls will not allow for that much bore. If you wish to use the 454 crank and rods with the 396 block, you can purchase a set of pistos with the Karak ponding compression height and have a stroker 421C engine. 4 March 2000.
Take our lead.
Yes, the 427 and 454 block are interchangeable. The 427 needs a different crank, pistons, balancer, and flywheel. The 454 and 427 and 396 all use the same rod. Yes, there can be some issues with the bigger domes that were meant for the closed chambers if used on the open chamber heads. 1 July 2005.
Let's help you make your mark.
2009. As mentioned, the 8.1L replaced the 7.4L Vortec in 2001. The 8.1L was then produced until 2009 when it finally gave way to the small block 6.0-liter engine. This engine is no longer in production as the last was produced in 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.